Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Spark Mail and Canary Mail. We'll look at what each platform is, what they're actually used for, the main features and the pricing, the pros and cons, and most importantly, which email platform is better depending on how you work. Spark Mail is a modern email client that is built around productivity, also built around organization and collaboration. It's designed for people who want their inbox to feel calm, structured, and action-oriented rather than chaotic. Spark works with all major email providers like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, iCloud, and Exchange, and it's available across desktop and mobile platforms. But what really defines Spark is its philosophy. Email should help you get work done, not distract you. So instead of just showing emails in a long list, Spark automatically categorizes messages, highlights what's important, and gives you tools like reminders, snoozing, and follow-ups. For teams, Spark also introduces collaboration features that let multiple people work together inside the inbox. In short, Spark Mail positions itself as a productivity-first email platform, especially strong for teams and busy professionals. Then we have Canary Mail. Canary Mail takes a slightly different approach. While it's also a modern email client, Canary places a huge emphasis on privacy, security, and AI-powered efficiency. Like Spark, Canary works with all major email providers and supports desktop and mobile platforms. But Canary's biggest selling points are its built-in encryption, phishing protection, and AI tools that help summarize emails, generate replies, and reduce time spent reading long threads. Canary isn't just trying to organize your inbox, it's trying to think alongside you. It focuses heavily on intelligent automation, privacy-first architecture, and AI assistance that makes email faster and safer. What are the main features of both platforms? We start with inbox organization and productivity. For Spark Mail, there's Smart Inbox, which automatically sorts emails into categories like personal messages, newsletters, and notifications. Emails can also be marked as done to clear mental clutter, and you can snooze emails, set reminders, and schedule messages to send later. There's also a built-in search that makes it easy to find your past conversations. And with Canary Email, the Inbox Zero features include pinning important messages, snoozing emails, and one-click unsubscribe. There's also natural language search that lets you type phrases like emails from last week about invoices. And there's AI-powered email summaries that condense long conversations into short, readable highlights. The next major feature for both is the AI features. AI features and writing assistance. For Spark Mail, AI tools help draft emails, they help rewrite text and summarize conversations. There are also smart templates that speed up repetitive replies. And also, the AI assists with tone and clarity, but stays relatively lightweight. And for Canary, it also has AI email features. AI copilots can generate entire email replies. It can also suggest subject lines and adjust tone automatically. It summarizes long threads so that you don't have to read everything. And the AI processing is designed to prioritize user privacy. Next on the list is security and privacy. This is one of the biggest differences between the two platforms. With Canary Email, there's end-to-end email encryption, there's built-in phishing detection, there's tracker and read receipt blocking, and secure sending for confidential messages. So Canary is built for users who handle sensitive information and who want maximum control over their privacy. With Spark Email, they use strong standard encryption and follows modern security best practices. Of course, they don't offer the same level of built-in encryption as with Canary. So Spark is secure for everyday use, but Canary is clearly the stronger choice for privacy-focused users. Next, we talk about team and collaboration tools. With Spark Email, there are shared inboxes, there are collaborative email drafts, also there are internal comments inside emails, and there are assigned emails to templates. And with Canary, they also support shared inboxes. It also includes analytics and routing tools and collaboration features that are more limited compared to Spark. So if teamwork is a priority, Spark has a clear advantage here. So what is the pricing of both platforms like? With Spark, there is the Plus plan at $8.25 per user per month. There's the Pro plan at $16.58 per user per month, and there's the Enterprise plan for larger teams who want to, negotiate and customize the options. So they talk with the contact sales teams. If you want to do a monthly payment, the prices go up. And for Canary, there's the free plan, which costs you nothing. There's the Growth plan at $3 per month, and there's the Pro plan at $10 per month. There's also a free 7-day trial, and no credit card is required. You can cancel at any time. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with the pros. For Spark Mail, there's excellent inbox organization, strong team collaboration tools, clean intuitive interface. And with Canary Mail, there's strong privacy and encryption. There's advanced AI email summaries and writing tools, and the pricing is affordable. They even have a free plan with 7-day free trial on the paid plans. How about the cons? For Spark, the paid plans can be expensive, and the security features are not as advanced as Canary's. And the cons of Canary? The collaboration tools are limited, and the interface may feel less polished to some. So having considered all this, which one should you choose? Well, if you work in a team environment, you manage shared inboxes, or you rely heavily on collaboration, Spark Email is the better overall platform. It's designed to help groups stay organized, to delegate tasks, and manage communication efficiently. But on the other hand, if you're a solo professional, a freelancer, or privacy-conscious user who wants smarter AI tools and stronger security, then Canary may be the better choice. Its AI summaries, the reply generation, and encryption features make email faster and safer. Of course, neither platform is universally better. They're built for different priorities. So here's a little summary. Choose Spark Mail if you want teamwork and structured productivity, but choose Canary Mail if you want privacy, security, intelligence, and individual efficiency. The best email platform is the one that fits how you work. And that's it on the review and comparison of Spark Mail and Canary. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Superhuman, MailSpring, and Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.